Welcome to South Beach. Today I'm showing you the best tips to make the most of your visit, plus a peek inside one of the hottest restaurants in Miami. Let's dive in and subscribe. This is also an iconic hotel here, and then that's CBS. That's where they filmed the Scarface movie. I'm gonna get closer so that you guys can see. And this guy's just chilling here. It's not a real person, but it looks like Scarface, right?
No, torno tra 4-5 giorni. That's crazy, right? Sorry.
It's now a CVS. This is the inside of the CVS. If you need to get some things, you can do so here. And then this is the actual staircase that was used in the filming of the 1983 classic movie Scarface. The scene depicts the Chainsaw Massacre and is a world-famous Hollywood landmark. So here you go. Here you go. This is what it looks like. This is an area where people come and they play volleyball. They have several sections here where people come and they do that. It's really a lot of fun, and then you're gonna come across a lot of bicycles. If you've never been run out by a bicycle, then I would suggest you would pay attention, because I did get run over by a bicycle when I was a kid and it was not fun. So let me show you guys. So it's past 6 o'clock, and as you guys can see, it's very sunny, it's hot, it's humid. They have cafes almost everywhere, like on every corner. Oh, yeah? And I do want to point something out. In Miami, if you want to stay at an area where it's not as expensive, because Miami is a very expensive city, I recommend that you guys go to either like Sunny Isles, Aventura. You look a little bit north, and then what you can do is obviously allocate the money, and then you Uber to the destinations. Like when you come here, you can also knock South Point out of your itinerary, because it's like towards that side over there, and it's a lot of fun. I want to take you guys into a restaurant, so let's go. This is amazing, but as you guys can see, the red flag stands for water closed to the public. It's a red flag, and there's tons of people in the water in Miami. We have YOLO moments. Free country. So yeah, there's people in the water. This is the beach right now. Look at that. There's a cruise leaving from South Point, and that's South Point over there. I did a vlog on South Point where I took you guys around to show you important information. These are the beach hours here in Miami. 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. is when the beach is closed. These are all of the things that are not allowed, but there's a beach called Key Biscayne where you are allowed to take your dog if you guys have any pets. So I do want to point out that I don't recommend for people to come to Miami in the summer. The best time to come to Miami is in the spring, fall, or winter. Ideally, if you're from a state where it's really cold, or a country where it's really cold, you'll be fine during the winter. We only have like a random day in December or January where it's in the 40s. So this area in green is for people to ride their bikes, and then it's a one-way towards that side. And then everywhere you're gonna see restaurants along the street. You're gonna see rooftops where obviously that's a hotel. And then that over there, that's the Versace mansion. Let me know in the comments if you want for me to bring you here. I came here years ago and it was a lot of fun. So that's a Versace mansion right there, and it's now a restaurant. I'm not sure if it's a hotel. It wasn't a hotel when I came, but it's now a restaurant, and it might also be a hotel. These are places where people come and they take pictures. This is the Art Deco. something that they have are bikes over there. You can rent them, and then a lot of people, what they do is that they come here, they exercise, and it's a lot of fun. This is the restaurant that we came to, LT Steakhouse. So they have Miami Spice going on, and they usually have this in Miami Spice, and they give you deals and all that jazz. So we're gonna get one of each. I'm gonna get the grilled or king salmon. We're gonna get one of each. Sandy's gonna eat them because I don't eat dessert anymore. And he's gonna get the short ribs. This is the outside. Ooh, it's very beautiful. This is the entrance. And then they have a concert. Oh, hello. This is the cocktails and non-alcoholic drink menu. So I got the guava lemonade. Sandy got a Diet Coke. These are the prices. These are wines, rosés, white sparkling. It's really good. This is the drink, the guava lemonade. I do want to share something with my subscribers, is that the steakhouse where we're at, like I told you guys, we're taking advantage of the Miami Spice menu. So it's $60 per person. And this is in the Betsy Hotel. So the Betsy Hotel, just so you guys know, this is an upscale hotel in South Beach. It's towards the end of South Beach, and they have obviously the steakhouse in here, but it's a beautiful hotel. The moment you walk in, you're gonna notice that it's like fancy and pretty and really, really nice. And it's quieter. It's not loud like the area where we were at. So everyone here has like a dress code. They welcome you at the door. It's a different vibe, and it's beautiful. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. I googled it, and it has 4.6 stars on Google. So if you guys are considering a hotel in South Beach and you want to spend a little bit more, I think this would be a great option. If not, remember Sunny Isles, Aventura, then you drive here and you're fine. Do not take public transportation, because public transportation in Miami sucks. Like, don't even waste your time. It truly does suck. So yeah, let me show you guys the appetizers. This is the bread that they gave us. It looks really good. I think it's included. And then they gave us butter. Yum yum. I don't know if it needs to be cooked, like if it had to be cooked for a little bit longer, but it looks good. That looks really good, Sandy. We're gonna share, right? Because sharing is caring. And then this is mine, so you guys can see in more detail. The bun appetizer, I'm not gonna lie to you, is not my favorite because it has like some type of mayo that I just don't like. It's usually the one they use at McDonald's. I love McDonald's, but not that mayo. So now I'm gonna try the burrata. So it's a little spicy, right? So we're gonna get the bread. Gonna get our knife. So we're gonna be doing.
Of course, not a problem. And would you need a wine list as well?
And then I'm gonna get some of that arugula.
Let me get the Betsy in the back.
Last year it was bigger. Some of the burrata.
will for me and Kate, please let us know, and I'm gonna bring your wine list now.
This one's really good. I like it, and I don't find the tomato to be spicy.
It's a little bit.
My friends, this is the salmon. It has chickpeas. Looks yummy. This is what Sandy got. Short ribs. And then what sauce is that, Sandy? You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay, let's see. Under a minute. Is it good?
The amount of food tells you where you are.
This is the dessert. This is chocolate. Oh my god. But I want for you guys to see this one. Look at this. This appears to be a mousse. Oh my god. I'm not gonna eat it, but I just want to like see if it's a creamy consistency. Holy mother of God, Sandy. Sandy, you enjoy that? And this is complimentary from the chef. What are those, like guava cookies, right? Are they good? Yeah, they're really good. Sandy, I cannot eat all of this, so I want to wish you the best in life. I hope that when you go to the... Tell me, can you like explain to us, is it a mousse?
Whatever it is, it's good.
But is it a strawberry mousse? What flavor is it? It's not chocolate. Is it strawberry?
Yeah, strawberry.
Yeah. Let me move this. And then
But whatever it is delicious.
it's what's the score?
Oh, this is one of the best desserts that I ever had.
Bro, you're just saying that because you know I can't eat dessert. Oh my god! And what about those?
Look, it has like a cookie.
Oh no. Okay, and what about is that meringue or is that a?
No, that's also
like whipped cream.
no.
Meringue,
It's like the same consistency as the.
but in another flavor.
Yeah.
Do you mind eating this one? Yeah. As a whole. Yep. Thank you. Okay, now you're gonna taste that one. Yep. So that's like a pudding.
Yeah,
like a chocolate pudding, and then is that a meringue on the top, or is it the same consistency? It's the same consistency. And then, can you describe how it tastes?
This is really strong chocolate taste.
So it's probably like dark chocolate.
Like dark, yeah. So
the strawberry one was yeah, but still that one looks good too. Are those coconut flakes? How do I know? No one loves dessert like I do. This one was better. So I do want to say something. I almost got pickpocketed badly. So I'm sitting here at the table and I had my phone right here. There was a guy who came to sell roses. I'll let Sandy explain to you because the guy was like standing right here. So I was giving him my side, but he was like a little bit towards the back and I couldn't see him. Sandy, explain to us what happened.
So I saw him looking at the phone, right? So I had my phone on this side too. So then I moved my phone over here and I saw him looking at her phone over there. So before he even did anything, I grabbed it and just put it over here. And then he didn't see that I do that. So he went to grab it, like he did this movement, but then he noticed that the phone wasn't there and then he left.
He left. Yeah, he was probably gonna take the phone. So that's a scam.